G'day yoga lovers, thanks for joining. This is part of our chair series. You can do so much in a chair. Today we're going to look at the side of the neck, and this is something you can do in the office, anywhere you're sitting down. You need a chair preferably without arms, and let's do this together. So to maximize the stretch, what we'll do is sit on the side edge of the chair. So one buttock is almost cantilevered off to the side and one is firmly in the center. And this will maximize the stretch. So we grip the side of the chair, and for balance we bring our leg out to the side. We want the shoulders to stay on top of the hips. And what we'll do very, very slowly, as with all our yin stretch yoga, is to just very gently lean away from the gripping arm. And already I am starting to feel it in the forearm, the shoulder, and every exhale I'm just slowly letting go and feeling an opening through the high shoulder there. And this is just the setup. This is just the setup. Now from here we can split our fingers in two. If not, a complete hand is more than sufficient. I'm going to reach across and then very gently just allow the weight of the hand to take the head across. So we're not really pulling at this point, we're just allowing the hand to cup the ear, fingertips near the occipital if that's available, or the jaw, and then let the weight of the arm do the work. And you might like to close your eyes, and at every exhale, feeling the stretch in the side of neck. So it's natural when we first start a neck stretch for it to guard and fight and brace a little. Now we want to just go with that. It's the body's job to protect us. We don't want to judge our tension. We just send a reassuring breath, and so that it feels safe enough to soften and release. And it's about now for most people that the body starts to soften and feel safe enough to let go. And the stretch may go right to the side of the neck where it meets the shoulder. It could go traveling right up behind your ear, even underneath the fingertips there. And for some of you, you might feel it in the shoulder, right down almost to the elbow, upper arm. You feel it where you feel it. So the trick with neck stretches is that we need to stay in it. It takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes for the myelin sheath in the muscle to do a full revolution. So perseverance pays, and this is how we get that beautiful elongated neck. And then from here, just opening up your eyes and sliding your hand over to the opposite ear and resting your head in the hand. This is really important. We don't want to use the same muscles we've stretched to pull us out of the stretch, and slowly pushing your head up. Good job, guys. I like to put my hand on my thigh and just do some circles. And you may feel an opening or a tingling sensation. It could be a sense of warmth or coolness. We'll replicate that on the other side. So we want to come back to center and then bring our opposite butt cheek slightly off cantilevered. We bring the opposite leg off to the side for support and gripping the side of the chair and just leaning across. Beautiful. It's normal for the shoulders to brace, the upper arm to brace, to protect you, and the exhalation will take care of that. Just gaining the body's trust to let go. Beautiful. Feels good. And then once again, we're going to reach across and slide our fingertips over the ear or just behind you, get to choose, and then slowly So slowly pulling the head across. This is a nice thing to do if you're in the office and you have a stressful situation or you need a little break. Stretching is a great way to cue into your breath, especially yin stretch yoga. There's a reverence to it. It's a beautiful practice and it feels fantastic. It's a nice way to change your emotional state and cool down a little. And if it feels safe, you can pull just a little bit. Again, feeling it anywhere between the occipital down to the elbow even, and anywhere in between. We feel it where we feel it. Making sure the shoulders stay on top of the hips. Nice one. Okay, and opening your eyes, sliding your hand to the low ear and then slowly pushing your head up. Not as easy as it looks. And then again, resting your palm on your thigh, just doing some circles. And coming back to center. Good job, guys. So we've opened up the sides of the neck, the shoulders. You should feel a little, well, you should feel what you feel really, but it's generally an experience that's cooling, calming, relaxing, and of course really, really good for your neck. We'll see you in the next video. Namaste.